Some people start to feel scared when they listen to this word oven. Oven is bad, it's not good for health, oven is harmful, blah 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 blah. As if they are following all the healthy rules in their life. Oof. Namaskara everybody. If you are thinking all these things, watch full video till the end. Today you'll get cleared all this misconception. Let's discuss all about oven facts. What is oven? How many types of ovens are there? Is oven harmful? If no, which oven is best for you? By the end of this video, you will come to one conclusion to invest your money on oven or not. Before getting to know about present ovens, let's discuss about traditional ovens that have been around for many years. Wood-fired oven, tandoor oven, even these are also ovens, but this is operated by wood pieces and coals. The flavors and aromas are different and it is not easy to set up in home. So, to make this process easy, slowly there were inventions made and finally we got these kind of ovens, which are small compartment or we can call it as a box. This is obviously easy to use and it fits in our home easily as well. Industrial levels and in restaurants, they won't use these kind of small ovens. There will be very big units in which one whole human body can fit. There are 3 types of ovens: solo microwave, convection microwave and OTG. First type of oven is solo microwave. Before getting to know about this, let's get to know what is microwave. This microwave invention was an accident. While conducting experiments with magnetron, scientist Percy Spencer noticed that the candy bar in his pocket had completely melted. This observation led him to understand that the magnetron emitted powerful microwave radiation, causing the candy bar to melt. Inspired by this, Spencer decided to explore microwave radiation in kitchen appliances for cooking food through trials and experiments to harness this technology. Like this, microwave oven was invented. Same in the oven, magnetron is placed and electromagnetic waves are generated and heat is produced and the food can be cooked. Hence, in solo microwave, you can directly cook the food and you can even reheat the cooked food, but you can't bake any food. There are high chances of burning the food. Apart from solo microwave, there are convection microwaves, which offers advanced options. They come with 2 features of both OTG and microwave, means we can cook, reheat and bake the food. Third type is OTG. It is called oven, toaster and griller. In OTG, we can bake, roast, toast and grill the foods. OTG mechanism is very simple. It consists of 4 rods. Top 2 rods, bottom 2 rods. In this, the best thing is we can adjust the temperature and change to different modes while baking and grilling. In some OTGs, even fan option will be available. Either we can on it or off it according to recipes. In OTG, the heat generates from rods, same like traditional cooking in coils and coals. Same type. Generally, I would recommend not to cook or reheat the foods in micro oven because it cooks the food in high temperature and kills the nutritional value in the food. Hence, cooking the food in stove is the best way for health. OTG is the option for baking according to health point because it produces heat through rods. And one more thing, if we compare microwave and OTG, OTG is way more cheap than microwave. You only see the difference of microwave and OTG. Microwave cooks food by producing heat from electromagnetic waves. This is harmful and of course not healthy. And OTG operates by generating heat from electric coils a method of traditional cooking practices such as coal cooking from older days. In microwave, there will be even heating. In OTG, it will be less even heating. Power consumption in microwave is more. OTG, it is less consumption. We can't control temperature in microwave. In OTG, we can control the temperature. In microwave, we can cook, reheat and defrost. In OTG, we can bake, grill, toast and use rotisserie. I personally use OTG and I prefer only that to use because it doesn't harm us in any ways. So guys, I think now you all got clarity, right, which is the best type of oven. If you think you gained some value from this video, like and share. I am Sahana. To encourage me to do more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.